Hello and welcome to the Financial Room, my friends. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan, president of the Bridge Group of Companies and your local mortgage broker expert with Mortgage Intelligence. Today's a very important episode, my friends. So if you have a pen and paper, I really strongly encourage you get one, because things are going to be changing fast in the mortgage and real estate world than we can even put it into action. So the Ontario Superintendent of the Financial Institution, which is known as Osfi, has implemented rules, new mortgage rules, if I may say, that is effective on January the 1st, 2018. And it affects all Ontarians, if I may say, from east, west, north, and south. So if you're a first-time home buyer, what does this mean for you? It means as of January 1st, your borrowing power, your mortgage pre-approval will be reduced from anywhere between $20,000 to up to $100,000 in your purchasing power. If you are a homeowner and you are upsizing, okay, you're increasing your buying power by upsizing into a bigger home and buying a bigger home in terms of square footage and purchase price, that you are also affected. So again, it is very important that you understand these changes, because you have until up to January 1st. If you're thinking of refinancing, buying a new home, or a first-time home buyer, call us, get us in to see you. Let's get you pre-approved. So let's talk about these changes. The biggest changes is the new stress test rules. What does that mean? That means whether or not you are putting down 20% or higher, or you're putting 20% less, it affects every single mortgage or borrower in Ontario. So if you need a mortgage, everybody's affected now. It doesn't matter how much you're putting down. So what is this new stress test? You're going to be qualified either at the 5-year benchmark rate, the 5-year benchmark rate set by the Bank of Canada, or the 5-year contract rate set by your bank plus 2%. So if you're getting a mortgage at 5 years for 3.5%, you're going to have to be qualified at 5.5% or 4.94, whichever one is higher. So it's the benchmark rate or the 5-year contract rate plus 2%, whichever is higher, just to qualify. That's not what you're going to be paying. That's not going to be the mortgage rate, but that's what you have to qualify. So what the bank is doing, what Bank of Canada is doing and Osfi is doing, is they want a soft landing if there's any market correction, or if there's any economic downturn in Canada or even worldwide, especially with the changes with the NAFTA agreement unknown and so forth, and economic future decisions unknown. They're trying to prepare Canadians for a soft landing and avoid mortgage arrears. So this is very important that you understand that this stress test is no joke, my friends. It is actually implemented. It's been passed, but it's going to be enforced January the 1st, 2018. And the biggest change is whether or not you are putting down 20%, 40%, 50%, 60%, or you're putting down 5%, it affects each and every homeowner. Whether you're buying a condo, whether you are buying a new high-rise or low-rise or townhome or detached, it affects everybody. Does it matter about your income or your credit, how great it is? It matters about your qualifying rates. So why all of these changes? Why so many changes so fast? And why isn't the government, if I may say, allowing Canadians to maybe take on these changes slowly and wait for the market to adapt and see what is happening? Well, personally, I can't answer those questions, but just to tell you what I've known and what little expertise that I can give you today is times are changing. We're living in a fast-paced world where changes are all based on economics that happens in our country, that happens with our partners in the South, and also worldwide. If you ever need any further information, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone and call us for fast approval, hassle-free. Let's take off all of those new mortgage stress tests. Okay, call us at 1-866-553-7467. That's 1-866-553-7467. You can Google me, contact me through social media, any of our sites. Again, for fast approval, hassle-free, don't hesitate to call us. We are definitely the home of all of your financial needs. Take care.